around the corner, and today we are going to decorate our Christmas tree. And Nemeth is already opening all the decorations that we are going to hang. Noe, say hi. Hi. And this is going to be our Christmas tree. Nemeth made this snowman at the school. So we are going to keep it here right on the top, and this will be our Christmas tree. So we are just waiting for Sumit to join us, and then we'll start with the decorations. Yay! So excited! Sumit is here.
Hey.
Hey!
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song.
कहाँ आए हो? चर्च में आए हो? और ये क्या देखने आए हो? सेंटा क्लॉज देखने आए हो? और क्या देखा? अच्छा और क्या है?